Welcome back to the 28-day challenge Tai Chi and Qigong for seniors and beginners. Today we're going to do cloud hands. So if we open into the Wuji position, and if we shift our weight, and if we turn our waist, and the hands are coming along, we can let the hand circle up. And then as we turn to the front, turn to the other side, it makes a full circle. Breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. And the other hand comes along too and can circle up. An opposite, complementary opposite. And if both hands get going, we get like this. One hand circling, the other hand circling. Opposite circles, they meet. Breathing in, breathing out. Inhale. Exhale. Relaxing, softening the knees, shifting our weight side to side, turning our waist, turning the arms. One hand up, floating across the sky, the other hand dipping in the water. We are waving hands like clouds, cloud hands. Inhale, exhale, breathing in, breathing out, looking near and looking far. Cloud hands. Cross, separate, sink. Let's try two more ways to get into cloud hands. One is to gather and cross. Drop one arm. Turn. One hand up, one hand down. Turn, turn, turn to the other side, to the other corner. One hand up, one hand down. Now this is a square. We want to make it circular, so we bend the knees. We shift the weight. We relax, soften the whole body, turning the waist. And it becomes circular, waving hands like clouds. We can also start off with holding the ball, shifting the weight, turning the waist, carrying the ball from side to side, turning the ball, making a figure 8. This is dragon plays with a pearl. And if we just turn that top hand toward the face, we have cloud hands. Cross, separate, sink, close, inhale, gather, pull in, and exhale. Thank you for joining me.